Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be making beetroot juice today guys, without any blender or machine. So let me go down to the introduction of the ingredients. We're going to need approximately 5 oranges, very ripe pineapple, a handful of ginger and garlic together, 3 huge beetroots, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Without much ado, let's go down to the preparation. So the first thing we're going to do is put the turmeric aside. After putting our turmeric aside, we're going to go straight to the washing down of our oranges, pineapple, beetroots, ginger, and garlic. Presenting to you our washed beetroots, pineapple, ginger, garlic, orange. So we're going to go ahead and get a chopping board. Get yourself to a pot. Keep it on the side. Get your pineapple and peel. Guys, if you are using an organic pineapple, you can use the peelings, but I'm not going to be using the peelings today. So keep the peelings aside. Continue and peel your pineapple. Since I'm not going to be using the peelings, I'm going to peel this pineapple in such a way that the nutrients from the peelings are still maintained by not scraping everything on the outside away. So I'm going to leave it at this stage and proceed like this. So we're going to chop our pineapple into small pieces and put in the pot. Make sure you chop the pineapple, guys, into tiny pieces. And make sure you wash your hands before this process. This is what we have. Put this in the pot. So we have our pineapple already in the pot. The next thing will be to use a grater and grate your garlic and ginger with the peelings, guys. Do same with your garlic. I'm doing it with the peelings, but the garlic has already been washed. Guys, the importance of garlic in food cannot be underestimated. Of course, you know it serves as an antibiotic. So put this in the pot. So guys, the next thing we're going to do will be to add water to our pot and boil. I'm going to tell you guys the quantity of water I use. Actually, this is 1.5 liter. I'm going to put everything into the pot. Cover this up and boil for approximately 30 minutes to 45 minutes. See you later. So guys, while our ginger, garlic and pineapple are boiling up, we're going to go ahead and slice our beetroots as follows. So let's go. If possible, like this, so you could see through them. If your beets are not organic, guys, start by peeling off the back part. So put this in a plate. Beautiful slices. Look at how beautiful these are, guys. Keep this aside. So get yourself a citrus juicer and a knife and an orange. Cut your oranges into 2 halves. Juice. If you're doing this traditionally, you don't actually need this. You can squeeze your oranges with the aid of a knife or a fork, and I'm going to demonstrate. So this is our orange juice. Keep this aside. So as I earlier said, guys, if you don't have a juicer like mine, get a fork and cut your oranges into 2 halves. Pierce your orange with your fork in the middle. Squeeze your orange like this, and then you move the fork around like this. Sieve this and enjoy. So guys, ginger, garlic and pineapple have been boiling together for approximately 30 minutes now, so we're gonna check. So the next thing we're gonna do will be to add our beetroots. So we're going to boil our beetroots just for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Add your turmeric. Mix everything up. Cover this up and boil for approximately 5 to 10 minutes only. Use a sieve to strain. So this is what we obtained, guys. So we're going to keep this aside to cool down completely. As for this, guys, you can actually add water and reheat in the morning to take as tea. So guys, our juice is fully cooled down and we're going to pour it into a bowl like this. The last but one thing we're going to do will be to sieve our orange juice into the beetroot. Mix this up. Taste to make sure your juice is sweet. And I did taste and the juice is very sweet, guys. For more sweetness, you could add more orange juice or you add a little bit of honey. Go ahead and put your juice in a jar or in bottles for storage in the fridge or direct consumption. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.